beauty and service businesses alike. When previously, when you had a Square appointment, you weren't able to easily put in a deposit for your appointment and have them pay a certain amount ahead of time. It was very rigid in how it used to be, but now they have made some adaptations to it, making this easier for providers in 2025. So to update your appointment deposits, you will go to appointments. From appointments, you will go to settings, and from settings, you will go to payments and cancellations. In the payments and cancellations, you will see no requirements to book. Here, you'll click, and now you can require that deposit for fixed price services to book. If you want to a pay plan, you're able to do the hold card in case of a no-show. But right now, you'll see that required deposit is in beta version. You can also still require the full prepayment of your products or have the no requirements to book. So here we'll click next, and we have a require a deposit. So you can do a fee type where there's a percentage of the amount or there is a fixed price. So if you wanted 50% of the deposit ahead of time, you can add that there. You will need to put in a deposit policy for why you want this policy, what it covers, and what happens if they don't show, or what happens if they do show, what can they expect. You want to make sure you outline that in your deposit policy so that your customer is very aware of what to expect with this deposit. You don't want them to come and think that this deposit was the full payment. You want to clearly outline that this is a deposit and the rest will be due on the time of service. You can also collect tax for deposits when customers no-show or cancel. You toggle that on, and then you can put your tax rate in here. Then for online booking settings, you can require a card on file for future payments. This helps you in the long run for any issues that may arise, or if there are additional services that they may use, they can simply use the card on file. So once you have this set, then you will click save, and that will give you your required deposit on your appointment bookings.